Did you know that for every government, for every successful government, there is the law, there is enforcement. In as much as the citizens have rights, there's also the responsibilities. This topic I'm going to discuss mainly about Cybercrimes law, or the Cybercrimes, Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Act of Kenya. I'm going to delve on you Kenyans, those of you who are listening, or those who are visiting Kenya. There are cybercrimes laws that are in place. It's the Cybercrimes Act of 2018, and there is the later revisions that came a bit later. And there's one thing, guys, I need you to understand. And for information, did you know that some things you post casually or you do on WhatsApp, TikTok, Facebook, and X, or even somebody else's computer, can potentially become a criminal offense in Kenya? So it's not just about ordinary internet users. It is about what you do. So the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Act applies conduct involving computer systems. Note this, involving computer systems, not just the laptop, computer systems. And the law's definition of a computer system is broad enough to include even mobile devices. So your phone, laptop, online account, and digital communications can all fall within the legal framework. So think about this: the WhatsApp message, Facebook post, TikTok video, and screenshot you took, or even the email or account that you accessed. Digital doesn't mean it's lawless. This is where people can get confused. You may think that maybe you use a desktop, it doesn't matter with phones, or even smartwatch, anything digital. This law applies to everything. And like I mentioned, WhatsApp, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or even emails and accounts across all devices. This is where the Cybercrime Act applies. But here is the catch. The Constitution gives every person freedom of expression under Article 33. You have the right to seek, receive, and impart information and ideas. Yet, Article 33(2) specifically says freedom of expression does not extend to propaganda for war, incitement for violence, hate speech, advocacy for hatred involving ethnic incitement, vilification, or incitement to cause harm, or advocacy of hatred based on prohibited grounds of discrimination. And Article 33(3) says, while exercising your freedom of expression, you must respect the rights and reputations of others. So, where you would say, I was just expressing my opinion, isn't automatically a legal shield. The Constitution, listen, the Constitution itself contains the boundary. And the Cybercrimes Act then specific offenses around certain online conduct. I understand we are at a very precarious season, especially now it's elections. You saw some recent incidents all over Homa Bay where there was incitement of violence, chaos, blood, and gore. People died, and so many nasty things happened. But the Constitution is clear. It does not say that, I was expressing my opinion. The Constitution lays the groundwork. So if you are caught or if you are arrested, the law will be against you. So this is why it's important, you guys, to understand why it is important to always study the law. Study the law. In school, we went to study about the Bible, for Christians, Muslims have the Quran. All these other religious denominations have their own books where they source the knowledge. So with the law or with the country, you must study the constitution. And there are two things I need you guys to study: the Constitution of Kenya and the Computers Misuse and Cybercrimes Act law. So those two, because anything you post, anything you share, anything you screenshot and give somebody, or either tweet on X, that is formerly Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, accessing an account, that can be liable to criminal offense if you have found you have breached the law. And believe me, the law is a double-edged sword. It cuts both ways. So you don't have an excuse to say you are misquoted, you are expressing an opinion, I only shared it because somebody shared with it. You don't have any excuse, because you will be used against the law. And if you are found culpable, that's a problem. So that's part one of the series of understanding about the Constitution and the Cybercrimes Act. Watch out for the next episode. See you and bye-bye.